Palakpakan nyo naman lahat ng nandito sa ating training room. Welcome po sa ating monthly recognition. Ayan, and then, syempre sa lahat ng mga teams, thank you so much for coming, and also to our dear BODs. Nandiyan lang po sila sa baba, may meeting lang po. So, tayo po ngayon ay nandito to celebrate once again our monthly recognition. But before we move on, I'd like to greet everyone. Happy International Women's Day! Palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga kababaihan. No, parang hindi kayo masaya na babae kayo. Ang hina ng palakpak. Pwede ba ang lakas na naman natin ng palakpak sa lahat ng mga nanay, ate, no, lahat ng mga sisterhood. Dahil International Women's Month din, ngayong buwan ng Marso, we would like to give all the women who are present here a free catalog. Ayan! Papamigay natin yung mga catalog sa lahat ng mga kababaihan. Ayan, alam nyo ba, binibili po yung catalog natin, 80 pesos yan ang isa. So, just for today, free po yan. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng ating mga OJTs na nagagandahan. Si Faith, si Ann, si Angel, at si Luna. Diba, nagagandahan silang lahat. I hope they can hear me. Nasa labas sila. Okay, so yan ang free catalog, no, for all our women attendees. Sa mga kalalakihan, bumawi na lang kayo sa Father's Day. Malapit na yon, June. So meron pa palang Mother's Day, no, sa May. O yan, happy ba? Yan naman tayo dyan no? So marami po tayong announcement, no, for today. But before we do that, I'd like to officially welcome everyone. But I have a question for everyone. Remember nung March 4, 2024, nag-share po ang ating gwapong-gwapong GUV Director Hernan. Ano po yung topic niya? Very good, nag-attend, nanood. At congratulations doon sa mga winners natin. Dapat pala kasama sa announcement natin yon. Congratulations sa mga winners nung nagpa-raffle tayo ng 3 boosters. Okay. So, pwede ba nating tanungin yung ating mga katabi, loyal ka ba? Tanungin nyo yung katabi nyo. Loyal ka ba? Sabi nung mister, tinanong siya nung misis niya, loyal ka ba? Sabi nung mister, napadalawang isip. Hindi. Yan, alam niyo po, no, kahit saang kumpanya, or kahit saang organization, or kahit saang team, kung hindi tayo loyal, mahirap pong mag-move forward. Okay? So, next slide please. According to this quote, no, when confronted with a challenge, the loyal or committed heart, yung mga loyal at committed people will search for a solution. Pwede ba natin basahin to na malakas? Sige po, basahin natin. When confronted with a challenge, the loyal or committed heart will search for a solution. How about this one? The undecided heart searches for an escape. No, yung madalas po tumatakas sa opportunity, sa napakagandang opportunity na ino-offer sa kanila, wala pong nararating. Talon ng talon kung saan-saan. Pangalanan na yan. May hugot ang ating napakagandang queen dyan dito sa harap. Pero kung loyal or committed ka, you will search for a solution. At napakaganda nung isa sa mga solutions natin na ginawa. Ano po yun? Viral? Viral? Grabe, ang galing-galing ni Direk Hernan. Naririnig ko kanina. LLIC? Ayun. Grabe. So yun po, no, yung ginagawa natin sa LLIC. What else can you please click the next slide? Daniel? Ito pa. Si Nora. Okay, just to give you more wisdom about loyalty. Loyal customers are more likely to make repeat purchases. Do you agree? Meron pong pag-uulit ng order. Pag-uulit ng pag-PPM sa inyo, mare. Gustong-gusto ko yung LLIC products nyo, lalo na yung White and Wrinkle Spot Cream. Grabe, bumata ako. Ayan. So, may repeat purchases. Diba? And they tend to spend more money per transaction. Alam niyo po ba, last Friday, no, we had our centering. Hindi pa natatapos mag-LBOP dito ang ating gwapong-gwapong VP for Sales and Marketing. Nangangalahati pa lang, may 4 na po umakyat. Nag-sign up, isang booster, isang basic. Grabe, di ba? Why? Inuna namin yung product demo. Nagustuhan po nila yung products natin. They tend, no, to spend more money per transaction. They're also more likely to recommend the company to their friends and family. Sino po nakaka-experience yan ngayon? Taas ang kamay. Konti lang. Hindi nyo pa natatry i-offer ang LLIC sa family and friends? Na-try na, ano nangyari? Nireject ng ka-family. Pati friends. Kaya pala malakas ang digital marketing. Okay? So, ino-offer paulit-ulit. Diba? We never get tired of sharing the business and the products, which can lead to new business and help your organization and our company grow. Okay? Next slide, please. Ayan. So remember this, ladies and gentlemen, without loyalty, there can be no genuine business partnership and no close kapamilya. Because here in LLIC, we treat you as a kapamilya. That's why when you're not around, even in the Zoom room, or even dito sa offline natin, we text you, we PM you, hey, we miss you. San ka ngayon? Diba? Especially kung kakilala nyo po yung kasama nyo na alam nyo, uy, napaka-loyal nito sa produkto ni LLIC. Okay? Without loyalty, our organization cannot carry out the proper functions. Do you all agree? And will not be able to help you achieve your dreams. Gusto nyo pong ma-achieve yung dreams nyo sa LLIC? Siyempre, you have to stay loyal with our products and our company. Hindi po namin sinasabi, no, na huwag kayo mag-join, no, sa ibang MLM company or direct selling company. Sinasabi po natin, pareho na in-explain sa atin ni GV Director Hernan noong March 4, okay, na paano ka mag-offer ng LLIC products, premium Korean skincare beauty products, kung meron ka pang ibang dala na skincare beauty products din. Paano nila malalaman alin doon yung ginagamit mo? Kung saan damakmak ang dala-dala mo, tama ba? So please, let us help each other, no, na mag-focus doon sa ating LLIC products. Kasi alam niyo po ba, based on actual experience, like I've said last month, ako po yung isa sa mga guinea pigs ng mga sample products na sinasubmit sa atin sa LLIC. And syempre, meron akong mga tatry, like before we came up with our Liquid 24K Gold Serum, maraming serum kaming tinry. E di syempre, mukha ko yung kailangang mag-test. Nagkaroon ako ng mga polka dots dito. Praise God. Because of our LLIC, no, Korean skincare, premium products, mabilis siyang nawawala. Diba? So, wag na tayong mag-attempt to try other brands kasi masisira yung skin natin. Remember, yan po yung ating facade. Diba? Okay, and let us all remember this. Loyalty is a 24-hour proposition, meaning 24/7. Pag sinabing loyal ako, hindi ngayon lang, hindi bukas lang, kundi forever. It's 24/7. Do you all agree? So kung magkikarry kayo ng ibang produkto, wag skincare beauty products. Kasi pag sinabing skincare beauty products, dapat parang may narinig. Baka may ibang brand mo rin. LLIC lang ang the best, di ba? Okay, it is not a part-time job. Being loyal is a must. No? Lalo na sa ating mga relationship, 'di ba? Yung relationship natin with our husband, with our wife, we must be loyal. Okay? So again, to God be all the glory for his goodness.